Recently, I built some rabbit hutches for one of my neighbors, and since then, I've had a chance to reflect on that project, knowing that I was going to have to build something similar for my own family. So I thought about some of the things that I liked about that project, but I also thought, had that project been for me, what would have been some of the things that I would have incorporated? So, per the norm, I'm using some 2x4s. I've got my cut list worked out so I can actually cut my pieces to length first. Ripping them down to 2x2s is a simple matter. A home improvement store will most likely already have 2x2s if you prefer to skip this step. I'm going to assemble the hutch by putting together a front and a back frame. Whenever I'm using screws near the ends of boards, I always pre-drill. Now I'll measure for the bottom crosspiece. Pre-drilling is not as important when you're in the middle of a board, but it helps when you're starting screws. Alright, so let's assemble the front frame. The front frame will have 2 doors, so I'll trim those out with some small pieces. I'll be attaching side slats in just a moment for the sides, so some 3/4 inch strips will act as ledges for those. The back frame obviously does not have doors, but back slats yes, so these pieces will be my ledges. Now the back slats. Now that left me with this odd-sized opening, so I'll just take a measurement, rip that one down on the table saw. As I was assembling the back frame, I realized there was a piece I forgot to attach to the front frame. I'm going to put a divider in the hutch to give our bunny some privacy and to get away from prying eyes if she wants. These pieces I'm attaching now will be the ledges for the divider piece. To make sure the pieces line up, I'll take a measurement from the front frame and transfer it to the back frame. Then attach the matching ledge. Okay, so the front and back frames are built. Let's attach them. I clamped the front frame on end to my table and then secured the crosspiece for the side. No measuring required here because the ledge I attached earlier for the side slats acts as a spacer for me to be able to attach the crosspieces. I forgot the matching ledge for the back frame. That's not a problem. I'll just attach it now. Now the side slats. For this top slat, I lay it in place, take a straight edge, and lay it across like so. Then mark a line. A jigsaw would work to cut that line, a bandsaw just as easy. I happen to have a tapering jig for my table saw, so that's what I used. Yes, I do have a project video for that. Here's a link for you. Now I can tack that in place. The divider piece is glued and tacked in place. For this, I simply used a scrap piece of ply, cut the length and width on the table saw. Then I marked out the opening and a jigsaw finished things up. After sizing and assembling the doors, I attached those and then attached the roofing material of my choice. I'll talk more about that on the blog post, simplyeasydiy.com. Check the description for the link. Hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to check me out on Facebook and Pinterest. If you like this video, here's a couple more you'll like as well. Until then.